Welcome, this is Zangler, the Tesla Semi Advocate, and this is the second video from drone footage that was shot on January 15th, 2025. The first video focused on the stamping pit, and this video will cover the rest of the progress and action that is taking place around the factory. The first thing I noticed when I arrived was that they were lifting, with this crane, they were lifting more roof insulation onto section C. This is the northeast corner of the building, and it is nearing completion for insulation and waterproof membrane for the roof. You'll see in a minute that they've also begun another section. So this is the far northeast corner, like I mentioned, and we're going to swing to the west and see what else is going on. This is where the majority of the loading bays are for receiving supplier parts and raw materials. You'll see that section C, the section on the left, is nearing completion. Section B on the middle north is completed. Section E, which is the top far southeast corner, has not begun with roof insulation and waterproof membrane, but section A, B, C is almost done. D has not begun, and then you'll see in a minute that they're starting the major work for the first time on section E, which is the middle south section, and then the far west southwest section was the second section that they finished installing the roof. And you'll see quite a bit of skylights. And at the very end, you can correlate these skylights to what we see on the rendering. And I think it holds true to form. You'll notice, though, that on the rendering, they don't put skylights over on the section D southeast corner that they have not yet begun. And I don't know if that tells us what's going on inside the factory, the fact that there would be no skylights there. Nice look at the American flag blowing in the brisk breeze. And now we were just starting to go down the western section. This is panning away from the stamping pit. Again, if you want to see 8 minutes or more of stamping pit footage, that's in a separate video that you should be able to find easily. You'll notice here on the southeast corner that they've almost completed the southern run of the wall panels. Those few wall panels on the ground will finish that section, and they put in a bit of the gray paneling, wall panels, and then they'll finish up with the white wall panels using the wall panel material that's stacked right there, ready to go. Right here, you can get a good look at where they will be putting skylights. I don't know if you noticed that, but there is impressions right there where you can see where they're going to be putting skylights. And in some cases, they have put some of the skylights on this section. Now you can see that on section E, they've begun the process of installing the roof insulation and waterproof membrane. So it looks like section E will be the next section to have the roof completed, and section D will be the last section of these 6 main sections that will have the roof installation completed. And like I said, that's the section D, that in the rendering you don't see any of these skylights. There's a good look at section E, and all of the insulation material stacked and ready for installation. There's a quick look at the Tesla Semi that's on guard duty and the Legacy Gigafactory up on the left, and just a little bit of the stamping pit. We're going to take a little look at the Tesla Semi standing guard duty, look and see if they happen to have left an Easter egg for us like they did previously. And here's a little teaser on the stamping pit progress, and it's quite fascinating. I encourage you to look at that other video. And we'll take a look around. The lighting is really nice on this afternoon light. There's the big dog Tesla Semi standing overwatch duty. And let's go over and take a look and see what we see. No Easter egg surprise for us today, but we'll keep checking. It is a really nice look at the Tesla Semi, which, as a matter of fact, is what all this construction is about. So it seems fitting to finish with this before going to the rendering, and take a look at the rendering, and you'll see what I mean by the placement of skylights, and the fact that this building is the section G, the stamping building, has a different perimeter than the rest of the factory. There you can see this absence of skylights. I want to thank you for joining, and in 2 or 3 days I'll get another drone flight and see what kind of exciting progress has taken place. Thank you.